Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make probiotic vegetables. We'll cover the simple steps to transform ordinary produce into a powerhouse of gut-friendly bacteria. This traditional method not only preserves your vegetables, but also enhances their nutritional value and introduces beneficial microbes. It's a straightforward process that requires just a few common items, making it accessible for anyone to try at home. Get ready to create delicious, healthy fermented foods with ease. To start, select about 2 pounds of your favorite fresh, organic vegetables such as cabbage, cucumbers, or carrots. You'll also need non-chlorinated water and a high-quality non-iodized salt, typically about 2 tablespoons per quart of water. For equipment, grab a clean 1-quart glass jar, an airlock or a tight-fitting lid, and a pounder or rolling pin to help compress your vegetables. These simple items are all you need for successful fermentation. First, wash and chop your vegetables. Then, massage them with about 2% salt by weight to draw out liquid, or prepare a brine using 2 tablespoons of salt per quart of non-chlorinated water. Pack the vegetables tightly into your clean glass jar, ensuring they are completely submerged under the liquid. This prevents mold. Seal the jar with an airlock or a tight lid, then ferment at room temperature, ideally 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for 1 to 3 weeks. You'll know your fermentation is complete when the active bubbling subsides and the vegetables have a pleasant, tangy flavor. At this point, it's time to move your delicious probiotic vegetables to cold storage. Transfer them to the refrigerator, maintaining a temperature of 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below, where they can last for several months. Enjoy these nutrient-rich, gut-friendly foods as a vibrant side dish, a flavorful condiment, or simply as a healthy snack.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.